Let me try to stay in this. Right here is good. Alright, so good. I got a fidget cube. I'm probably wondering, saying that it is lame. But guess what? Look at I have freaking another fidget spinner. It's golden one, shiny. I have a Falcon's fidget spinner. I have another golden one. And I also have this one right here, this silver one. Yeah, so let's get into this new thing, guys. I've been wanting one of these for like a year. Like, they come out for a fidget spinner. God dang it, I freaking dropped it. Great, it's behind, all the way behind the couch. I'll be... Ow, ow, God. God dang it, it's falling. Oh no, sorry. I'll fix you. Oh, sorry. So, here it is. I don't know if I'll get in here. Guys, can we please try to get to 15 subscribers, guys? I will be giving away 2 of these ones. If I can get 15 subscribers, I'll be giving away one of these silver ones. And also, I'll be giving away one of these Falcons. I know I'm probably wondering which one. This one. I'm videoing my fidget spinners and fidget cube.
Who'd you call a while ago?
Oh, I was talking to my mommy, and telling her that my phone's working now.
Wi-Fi is?
Yeah, we were putting in the wrong password. Alright, here's this one. And now
keep your feet off of it.
I'm getting this one away too.
Keep your feet off my bed, Charlie.
Bye.
Thank you.